Hi, my name is Bela. I work at Waltham Public Library. Today I'm going to take you to my kitchen where we'll make together butter chicken, which is very popular in north of India. Let me start with the ingredients. So we need chicken. You can have boneless or with bone, whatever you like. You can cut and clean into small pieces, and we have to marinate it. For marinating, we need some spices. We have cumin seeds, we have cardamoms, we have cloves, we have peppercorn, we have cinnamon, and we have red dry chilies. So what we have to do, we have to grind them together in a coffee grinder, and once they are fully grounded, they come out like that. So then we have to put all this stuff in the chicken. Okay, all these spices are in there. We mix them nicely. And with that, we can put some, you don't have to, but I like, since turmeric powder is very good for you, I just put a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder in it and mix it nicely. You can use your hands if you want. You don't have to. After that, you can put a 1 teaspoon of salt, little salt. Okay, then we can put some yogurt. You can put yogurt like a couple of teaspoons, or maybe 3. I like to use my hands actually, but right now we can use spoon. And then we can put some 1 teaspoon of, or 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. When it's all coated in all seasonings, you can leave it for 3-4 hours or overnight, whatever you like, and then after that we'll have to cook it. Hi, I'm back. So let's start the next process. So this is the chicken which is already marinated, and it was in the refrigerator for 3 hours, and we're gonna start cooking it. Before that, we need a pan, and for that we need some ingredients here. 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, little salt, tomato paste, some butter, since it's a butter chicken. It's supposed to be cooked in all butter, but being healthy, I want to put some olive oil in it. And we have some cut tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, and I have bay leaves, cumin seeds, and cinnamon, and some red pepper. And at the last, we'll put some little heavy cream. Okay, let's start it. I'm gonna put a little oil in it. Maybe just 2 tablespoons of oil. Maybe 3, okay. Once it's done, then I'm gonna put some butter. 1, 2, and 3 tablespoons of butter. It's a pure butter, all purified. And now when it's little hot, I'm gonna put some cumin seeds. Make sure it's not that hot. A little cumin seeds, like a half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Little cinnamon sticks. And some bay leaves, which gives a good flavor, and just 1 red chili. It's gonna right now sizzle. When the seeds little start popping up, we'll put some ginger, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. They're all crushed together. Nice. Okay, now it's getting a little sizzling, and now we can put some chicken in it. Has to fry nicely. So when it gets a little brown, then we'll put other stuff in it. Nice. It's nicely cooking. I think now we are going to put some tomatoes in it. Fresh cut tomatoes, and we'll put just 1 tablespoon of salt, a little salt, because we already have salt in the marination, and stir it a little bit. And now same time we are going to put a tomato paste, which is gives it a good color. Just 2 tablespoons. And let it cook till the tomatoes get cooked, and you'll see the nice color will come up. Okay, this looks wonderful. Look at the color. Amazing. So now we're gonna put some heavy cream, but I used light cream just to be healthier side. 1 cup of light cream. And this will look so good. Okay, look at that. Now it has to just a few more minutes, we'll boil it. It's all set, ready to serve. Looks good. Let's put that in a serving pan. Okay, it smells so good. Yummy, yummy. I just feel like eating all. And goes good with rice or garlic naan. Okay, let's put some bay leaf on top just for decoration. And then just put little cilantro leaves on top. And it's all ready to go. So yummy, enjoy and eat it with rice or garlic naan. Thank you.